Hey guys, it's Carrie Lynn here for SheSaved.com, and I am back in downtown LA. We are staying at citizenM. I should say I am staying because this room is a little bit unique and perfect for one person. I'm not sure how it would be for two people, but as you can see, this is a really compact room, a small space, but I'm going to show you what amazing things that they have done with that. These rooms are actually modular shipping container type spaces, and super insane how they did this, but very futuristic, I guess I would say. You can see just how they've utilized this space to tuck so much stuff in here. This is the sink area that is right across from the bathroom area, and it's all kind of in one long big space. So you can see they've got all the things that you need tucked away except for an iron. I did learn there are no irons in the room, but there are several floors at this hotel called Iron Heavens where you can go iron your clothes. So that is all good as well. And you even have a little pull-out refrigerator right here in this cabinet area, which is nice if you want to bring things up to your room. That's the bathroom area, which we'll look at in a minute. And here is a little desk area and the tablet. We will come back to the tablet because that controls just about everything in this space. Every room includes a little pillow doll, and those vary. Some really cool artwork. Just some fun little artistic touches here. And then as you can see, a really unique bed setup situation. You've got a large screen TV on the wall, and then this bed that is at the end of the room. You've got storage drawers underneath. Here is your safe. I don't know how this room would be for two people because of the bed situation. I thought it was perfect for one person, and I like how it sits up against the wall like that. And then this work area and everything else. That did not bother me for one person. It was kind of cozy. The tablet. So this is pretty cool. Everything in this room, they got my name a little bit wrong, but I didn't mind because it looks like it sounds, so we're good with that. So this tablet regulates everything in this room, from the mood lighting, which is actually pretty cool, to the curtains. I'll show you that. There are two layers of curtains, a privacy curtain and then a more sheer layer. So it's pretty cool that you can operate all of that from this tablet, but don't lose the tablet because you will be using it for everything in this room. Lights, temperature control, the television set, everything. More on that in a bit. But next I want to show you this bathroom area because it is really unique as well. It is really small. It reminds me of a cruise ship bathroom. For one person, it's perfect. The toilet is right there in the shower area. You have everything you need. I can't see this being super great with two or more people. You have a nice rain shower, wand, great product. Again, really great for single use. I just think this room could get really crazy if you had two people moving around in here. So back to this space here, the perfect space for putting on your makeup. I loved the lighting. You have your refrigerator here again, and then back over to the desk area. I really liked the bed looking out over the city, and I'll give you a peek at that in just a minute. But back to the tablet. There is so much you can do with this thing. There are settings that you can select that will choose or create a mood in the room for you, and that includes sound, music, lights, atmosphere, and you can select those. They kind of have them themed based on how you're feeling, or you can go straight to the different lighting and color controls yourself and adjust them that way. And that will literally change the mood and the lighting in the room, as you can see. So I thought that was a pretty cool feature and just something unique that definitely does make this kind of a fun place to stay. And I'll come back and try to show you more about the lighting feature at night because that's when I thought it was the coolest. So pretty cool. Overall, kind of just a fun and unique way to stay. I loved it for business travel. It worked perfectly for me. One thing I want to shout out about though is downstairs, the bar and dining area. This area is really cool. They have some nice snacks and food and beverage for purchase. Great bar, great coffee shop. But in the morning, they offer a breakfast. I believe it's $23 or $25, all inclusive. You can grab some great hot dishes. They have excellent croissants, muffins, granola, yogurt, bagels and lox. Just about everything you would need. Great price. Plus that includes specialty coffees, and you can get those unlimited. At least you could when I was there. So I thought that was really cool for the price. Lots of sitting area to enjoy down here. This would be perfect for meetings, working. That's why I really loved this hotel as a workspace, because it was so easy to just find little spots to work in. This would be a great place for business meetings or to have friends over. There's just so much fun space to hang out in. And then of course the area, Grand Central Market, is just around the corner, and that's this humongous food outdoor open market kind of thing that is great too. That's literally a block or two away, very close. So back up here at night, I wanted to show you what everything looks like in this room, because that was what I thought was so cool about all of this. Not only the view, and you know me, I always ask for a view room. This had a great downtown LA view, but the lighting in here was really fun to play with. And this tablet, again, this tablet controls everything in this room. So you're going to be looking for it the entire time you're in the room, because you need it for basically everything. But isn't that cool, like how it just adjusts everything? And then you can see it just literally does affect the overall view and vibe in the room. So really cool. And I'll take you over here. You can actually climb up on the bed. I loved working in this space. It was really fun. I'll show you out the window here and just all of the things that this tablet can do. Controls the TV, so I just turned that off so you can see how pretty this is at night out here. Just kind of a fun little look at a small part of downtown LA. But the view and just kind of the way the bed is situated is pretty unique. So I liked it. I really think that this is a unique and fun property to stay at. Again, probably mostly for single occupants. Just makes more sense to me. But you have everything you need. You can close your curtains. And they're great blackout curtains too. So close your curtains and get a good night's sleep. Let me know if you have any questions about citizenM in downtown LA. This is Carrie Lynn for SheSaved.com.